Hello guys, welcome to my tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to draw a frequency table for the given data. Okay, first of all, in statistics, okay, we are going to learn this topic in statistics and analytics. So in this topic, we are going to learn the frequency table formula and with the help of Microsoft Excel. Okay, we are going to use the Microsoft Excel to get the frequency table for the given data. So the first task is to generate the data. Okay, it is a little bit hectic work to generate the around 100 200 or maximum data for the example. So here I will take student name, student 1, similarly 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now we have to take one example like marks in science, marks in or BEPS subject. Okay. The student 1 have taken 10, student 2 15, 22, 28, 33, 34, 36, 49, 80, 98. So from the to get this frequency of like an you have to get the range first. Okay, we will define the range from like 1 to 20. Okay, in the range of 1 to 20, how many times the marks is occurring? Like a 10 is 1, 15 is 1. Like frequency will be like 2 times. Okay, and 21 to 40, 22, 28, 33, 34, 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So frequency will be 5. For example, I have taken only 10 students details. So we'll see how to generate the data to get the result. And second one is 41 to 60. So from 41 to 60, there is only one data. So we'll take it as 1. 61 to 80, there is no data. We'll put it as 0. 81 to 100, there is only one data, that is 98. Okay. So here we have taken only one example. The same example also we'll execute and we'll check the result. And here we have the two methods. Like one is using the COUNTIFS and another one is using the frequency. So we'll open a new workbook, and this one workbook will take a blank worksheet, and we'll start executing. So here I will take a student name of students. Okay. Next is to marks in BEPS. So here you can see this data is overlapped by the second column. So just take this to the middle of both column and double click. Automatically it will resize to the width of the title. Okay, here we'll make it bold, and again, so student 1, student 1, student 2. Here you can see these increments are identical. So directly we can take okay, we can select these two and click on this box and drag. Okay, 10 details we have to take. The same details I will take at 10. As we can see here, these details only we are going to take. Okay, 10, 15, 22, 28, 33, 34, 36, 49, 80, 98. These 10 details we have got. And here, for the frequency table, we will take the range. Okay, we have to mention the range and next frequency. Okay, range was 1 to 20. Here, why it is taking Jan 20? Because this column, you can see here, it is type in general. Okay, so we'll take it as a text. So now we'll mention the range 1 to 20, 21 to 40, 51 to 60, 61 to 80, 81 to 100. These are the 5 samples or range samples we have taken. So here we have to write one formula like is equal to COUNTIFS. COUNTIFS. There are two types like a COUNTIF is also there. COUNTIFS also there. We'll take it as a COUNTIFS and a criteria. Criteria like we have to select the range. Okay. Select the range, data range, and put a comma. Okay. In double inverted comma, we have to mention greater than or equal to 1. Okay. And again put a comma and again select the same range, put a comma in double quote again less than or equal to last is 20. Okay. Complete the quote and complete the bracket and press enter. Okay. Here also we are getting the same thing because it is in general. So we'll take it as a text or numbers. Okay, again we can decrease the decimal digits. So here we can see we got the 2. Okay, first detail we got correctly. So again we have to repeat the formula. To repeat the formula, what we'll do, we'll select this and copy and again press escape and paste in the next cell. So here we have to just change. The data range will be same, but the range like a 21 to 40 is the new range. So we'll change it to 40. Here also we can see 40, 21 to 40 is 50. So here again we'll paste the details and again change the data like a range 41 to 60. Okay, here we got only one. Again 61 to, just I'm pasting the same formula and changing the range. Okay, 61 to 80. We got 1. 61 to 80, 80 is there. So 61 to 80, 80 is there. Okay, we have to get 1 here. Okay, we have to get 1 here. Again here, next formula 81 to 100. 81 to 100. Okay, this is the first method, and if you count, there are total 10 number of students. If we count them, like if we do the auto sum of all these, we have to get 10. Okay, there is another method like the student 1, student 2, we have written here. Okay, again I will insert here to generate the random data. Okay, I'll copy this again. I'll paste it over here and is equal to rand between. That is random between 1 to 100 and complete the bracket and press enter. So in this column we got 44. So 50 samples we need. So we have to take up to 50. So we got a 50 data, and we'll copy this. We'll copy the same and we'll paste. As you can see here, if we are changing the data, if we are doing clicking somewhere and pressing the enter, automatically the data is changing continuously. Okay, to stop this, again we'll paste it. We'll paste it, and after pasting, we have to select formula number, paste values. We have just pasted the values. Now you can see if any changes we are doing somewhere, it is not affecting this column. So we can remove this now. This is the shortest method to generate the data. And here we got 10. Again, we'll go till 50. The students data we got. So similarly, we can check them. Here we have taken only these two formulas. So we'll remove this. Again, we'll take the is equal to COUNTIFS and select the range, not range, the data, and press comma, and in double quote we have to put the condition greater than or equal to 1. Quote complete, comma, again select the range. If you know the range like a B2 to B51 is the range. So we can type it directly B2 colon stands for 2. Okay, B2 to B51. Again, comma, in double quote, again, we have to write the condition like less than or equal to 20. Quote complete, bracket complete, press enter. We have got only a total 11. You can check here the data like 1 to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, here you can see we got 11. Same formula we'll copy here, press escape and paste it in the next cell. You can paste it. Don't drag this to the next cells. Because if you drag this to the next cell, here you can see it is changing the range cell also. It is shifting cell by cell, it is shifting the values. So instead of doing that, you just paste it because it keeps the formatting and the sequence same. So next we have to just keep changing the range like 121 to 40. Press enter again 41 to 60. Press enter next 61 to 80. Next 81, 100. So now if we check the summation of these, we should get 50. So here we got 50, then the formula is working correctly. So this is one formula like where we can get the data or a frequency table. That formula is equal to is equal to count ifs COUNTIFS into the bracket data, okay, comma, in double quote we have to mention the range, okay, range, and again quote complete, comma, again data, it is the maximum of the range, okay, range to, we can take this as a range 1 or lower range, lower value, this is a max value, max value of a range, double quote and bracket complete. So for this example, we'll take it as a count ifs. So data, we'll take it as a B1 colon. Colon stands for two. B1 to B51, comma, in double quote, you have to write greater than or equal to 1. Whatever values are greater than and equal to 1, it is counting. If it is greater than and equal to 1, that is counted. And again, the same data range we have to take B1 to B51 and comma, in double quote we have to mention the maximum or next value. Like here is the lowest and highest. So great, less than or equal to 20. If it is less than or equal to, then it counts. Okay. So double quote complete, bracket complete, and press enter. You will get the result. So this we have to repeat for each step. So there is one more method like a frequency. Okay. Frequency formula. Frequency formula we have for this. Here we have to take like a range we already have. Upper limit we have to take. Upper limit. So next, after the upper limit, here frequency. Okay. Upper limit is what? We have the range of 1 to 20. So upper limit is 20. Here is the 40, 60, 80, and 100. So here in this frequency table, we have to get the same frequency. So here select all the cells where we have to get the frequency and type equal to in formula 1 equal to, write the frequency into the bracket, select the data array. Okay, data array, that is this data. Okay, you can select the data array or we can type the data also, like B1 or sorry, B2 to B51. Okay, here you can see when I type the B1 to B51, it is auto selected. Okay, comma. Now select the upper limit. Select the upper limit. After selecting the upper limit, close the bracket, hold Control Shift and press Enter. Here we got the frequency within a second. So if you check this data, these two are same. But the method we have used for this, we are using the COUNTIFS. For this method, we are using the frequency formula. So if we check the summation of all these, we have got the 15. So simply draw a table around this and get the printout for your experiment. Okay, guys, this is how we can draw a frequency table for the given data. And if we want to draw a graph for the same, then we can go for insert and or else select this range and hold control, select this range and again control hold, or you can take the title also. Go to insert and select the chart. We'll go with the pie chart. So now here we got the frequency and this is the range. Okay, if we want to modify anything and we can edit the table too. Okay, fonts. Here we can change the fonts if it is needed. It is a regular style. I will make it bold and press OK. So this is how we can insert the graph or pie chart. Okay, I can change the chart type also. Change the chart type. I'll go to column and select the bar graph and click on OK. Here we got for each color indication, we have the labelings here. Okay, here we can get the second one is 16. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. And first one is 11, 10 and 11. It is between the 10 and 11. So we have got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ranges. Okay, this is how we can draw a frequency table and insert a graph or pie chart for the same. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video and wait for the next video where we are going to discuss about the next formulas of in the statistics and analytics. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload these kind of videos. You will get notified. Thank you.